Have you ever looked at a successful person and thought, how did they get there? We all live in the same world, with the same 24 hours in a day, often starting from a similar place. Yet somehow, some people build empires while most of us are still struggling to pay the bills. What if I told you it's not luck, not connections, not even raw talent? What if it's something invisible inside them, something you already have, but just haven't unlocked yet? This video will change how you see yourself forever. See, most people are trapped. They're trapped in jobs they hate, in doubts they never question, and in habits they don't even notice. They wake up, rush to work, come home tired, and tell themselves, I'll start my dream someday. But that someday never comes. Why? Because they've never learned the hidden mindset that turns average people into unstoppable entrepreneurs. Today, I'll show you exactly how ordinary people become self-made millionaires, starting from zero. And if you stay until the end, you'll discover the one mental switch that separates the dreamers from the doers. Every empire begins in one place, the mind. When you study self-made entrepreneurs, one thing is crystal clear: they believed before they saw results. While others said, it's impossible, they said, I'll find a way. For them, belief wasn't a fleeting feeling, it was a firm decision. Oprah Winfrey once said, create the highest, grandest vision possible for your life, because you become what you believe. The average person waits for proof before they believe. Entrepreneurs believe first, and their belief creates the proof. That's the secret start of every zero to CEO story. Every successful entrepreneur was once broken, rejected, ignored, and laughed at. But instead of letting that pain destroy them, they turned it into fuel. Jeff Bezos faced endless criticism for Amazon. Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, was rejected over 50 times before she got her first yes. What made them different? They used pain as proof that they were on the right track, not as punishment. Most people run from pain. Entrepreneurs run through it because they know that real growth hides just behind discomfort. So if life has been tough on you lately, maybe it's not a curse, maybe it's your training ground. Every self-made entrepreneur becomes obsessed, not with success itself, but with learning. While others are binging Netflix, they're binging books. While others gossip, they ask questions. They don't need a classroom because their entire life is the classroom. The poor spend money to look rich. The rich spend money to learn how to multiply it. That's the hidden mindset shift, investing in your brain before anything else. Because when you learn faster than everyone else, you don't need to compete. You dominate. Self-made entrepreneurs don't think in days or months. They think in decades. They see what others can't. While others chase quick money, they chase legacy. When others want fame, they want freedom. That's why they ultimately win. They know that success is not a single event. It's a system. It's not a lucky break. It's daily discipline. Every overnight success you admire took 10 years of invisible, dedicated work. Being a CEO isn't just about owning a company. It's about owning yourself, your thoughts, your time, and your emotions. The biggest business you will ever run is your own mind. When you control your focus, you control your future. That's why self-made entrepreneurs wake up with a sense of purpose, not pressure. You don't need to be born rich. You just need to stop thinking poor. So maybe today you're feeling broke, tired, or unsure of what's next. But remember this, every millionaire once felt exactly the way you do now. They were scared too, but they made one powerful choice. They refused to quit. Stop doubting yourself, start building yourself. Your zero to CEO story is already being written every single time you choose growth over comfort. If this message woke something inside you, don't just move on. Like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We're building the next generation of leaders, one future CEO at a time. Thanks for watching.